Where do I even begin with this? So, $4LQ7, doing the upper control arms, and the tie rods here. This one's already changed. Now I'm doing this guy up here, because there's excessive play in this. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. Now, this is going to be more of my thoughts rather than a tutorial, and why this is such a pain in the ass. So, first thing you gotta do is disconnect the lower sway bar end link, which is super easy. It's these guys, right, Shmia. These were 18, 19, 18. These are 18 mil. That's super easy. No issues there. Comes right out. Bingo, bango, good to go. Next, you have to remove this little grommet here from the little tab that it holds into. And then you have to disconnect the plug for this. Well, you don't have to. I just did to kind of prevent any future issues. And then you take this little guy out here, the little actuator that controls the ride height, or it tells the vehicle what the ride height's at, so it can adjust the air pressure appropriately. In here, there's a little pin you push down, and if you live in northwestern Ontario, it is entirely corroded. So, you know, if you live in Canada here, then that's completely corroded in place, and it absolutely sucks to try and get out. This is the little pin here. So that comes through, which is connected to this here, and the pin comes out the bottom. So I'll just spin this around here, and it comes out right there. You just pull that out, needle nose pliers, no big deal. That comes out. Then I thought I was going to be wise and snake a wrench in here and here. Got that loose, no big deal. Got that one, and then I realized I couldn't get it out. So now I have to take this whole top piece out, which means I have to remove the airline, so that way I can remove the air pressure from here. Or release the air pressure, rather, and then have more room to actually maneuver this. This bolt on the bottom here. Down here, this guy right here, 21 mil. That was an absolute pain in the ass. I had the breaker bar on that thing. I swear to Christ, that thing was probably like 200 foot-pounds. I can't imagine that spec, but I thought the breaker bar was going to break. But that came loose with some fighting and choice words. Now I have to get these out. You can see back here I got this one. That fucking sucked. This one here, it's probably going to be easier, I hope. That one over there, I'm gonna chop my dick off, I swear to Christ. So now we're gonna come up here. Next step, remove the wipers, because that's a practical thing to do when you're doing suspension, is removing your wipers. And then you lift this guy here, and then way the hell down there. Focus. There we go. There's I think it was a 16 mil bolt. Yeah, 16 mil bolt in there. And then let's see what else we got in here. And then there is another one there. That's going to be that front bolt that I said isn't going to be that bad, because look at all the room that we have right here to get that. Now the fun part, which I highly recommend letting your engine cool down, as I did not. Fuck. Hot. Okay, so those little kind of brown red plugs there, these guys, right, Shmya, those go into a bracket right here. This channel goes into this bracket right here, and you just pry this up and try not to burn yourself, because you will if the engine is anything warm. And then right down there you can actually see, god damn it, I was able to get the socket. I can't even get the camera in here. There we go. Yeah, so I'm gonna try and remove this so you can just kind of see how much room we have in here. Right there. That's a little fuck right there. So now I just gotta get this right back in here. Okay. Excellent. Now, the only extensions I had available were 3/8, so you just kind of have to hope for the best and hope it doesn't break. Oh, God, Jesus. Fuck, man. Hey, I'm gonna keep fighting with this. But, I mean, it's not all bad. It's just, like, trying to figure out a hot, burny, stabby puzzle. And then you get to drive around in an overpriced Volkswagen Touareg. And who doesn't like that? The left side isn't that bad. We got one right there. Look at, I can even touch that one. We got one down here. Oh, look at that, I can touch that one too. And then they were very considerate and they actually made a little flap. So you can just lift this to get in here to where the fun begins, and you find all of this chaos that you have to get around to get to the next bolt, which is way the hell over here somewhere. Well, that's broken. Let's see if we can see it in there. Where are you? There you are. Little silver one there. So I don't know what else to say. Have fun. Don't lose your mind doing this. It's not worth it. I'm gonna kill myself for sure this time.